Okay, guys, I thought this might be helpful information for some of you. This is how I make sure I take my pills every day and don't get messed up with it. So I'm just showing you my multivitamin because what I do, first of all, is I'll go for like things like multivitamins. I go to Walmart and then I buy the generic brand because it's usually the same thing. And this one is the generic for Centrum. So this is for women plus 50. So I'm 58, so this is what I take. But what I do with my pills is I put them in a pill container. And then I have a great big huge full-size notebook that I put in. I write it down. After I take my pills, I write it down and I write the time. The reason I do it that way is so I don't forget, because I'm a busy lady. I get up early sometimes. I'm half asleep, and I want to make sure I don't forget to take my pills. But I also don't want to be, um, you know, taking double or whatever. So what I'll do is I'll just take my pills, take it, write down the time, and then write it in the notebook. And that works out great for me. And the notebook actually has the date every day of the year on it too. So that works out good for me. Great big huge notebook so I don't lose the notebook. And I never have any problems with did I take my pills? Didn't I take my pills? Also, too, because this is stuff when as you get older and you're busy people. This is taking pills for busy people. I also too sometimes I'll tell my husband. I'll say to my husband, "Did you take your pills?" And they'll say, "Did you take your pills?" And we do that. But these are things that are just easy to help you if you are like usually people like that are in their 40s. Maybe you might have to you get high cholesterol or something, and then you got to start taking pills, and that's what you do. And God made the leaves, so to speak, for the healing of the nation. So I believe that God created medicine. Um, Jesus is a physician with many physicians under him. So what I do is I take my pills in faith, believing that God will heal me either here or once I get to heaven. So I just, that's what I do. And so I take my pills like faithfully, like I should. And, you know, what was it? Hezekiah in the Bible, they gave him a leaf to heal him. You never know how God's going to heal you. But, I keep believing, But anyway, I think that's a good way to take your pills is just take them in faith and take your pills faithfully and on time, and don't forget to take them, and stay in good health, and go to your doctor, make sure you get a good checkup, and and all that stuff, so you are in good health. And I always say don't self-medicate, because sometimes people get these bright ideas like I'm gonna take this and this. And when I was younger, I used to do different things. Some friend would sell vitamins, and then I would start to feel lousy. And I just learned that for me, I just go to my doctor. He gives me, does the blood work and everything, and make sure that I'm healthy. And then I do the best I can, eat right, sleep right, do all that stuff, take it out, get rid of the stress. So there you go. That's how you take your pills from a 58-year-old lady. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.